Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Meshchain Airdrop latest updates. How to connect your Web3 wallet on Meshchain Airdrop. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome. Please like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates. Now today being 12th of February, this is their update. They say Meshchain.AI now support Web3 wallet connection. Final step to verify real users from Airdrop Season 1. Did you hear that? We are excited to announce that Meshchain.AI now officially support Web3 wallet connection, making the final verification step before distributing Airdrop Season 1 reward. Why is this step important? Verify real users, eliminate both multiple accounts and mining farms, ensure fairness. Second point, enhance transparency, prevent individuals from abusing multiple accounts for unfair airdrop claim. Third point, to optimize points, MCC token conversion, ensure the best possible benefits for real participation. How to connect your Web3 wallet? You are going to visit this site, app.meshchain.ai. So we are going to use any Web3 wallet. It can be MetaMask, it can be Trust Wallet, it can be OKX wallet, it can be Bitget wallet, any Web3 wallet of your choice. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Trust Wallet. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to copy this link, then we'll go to the Trust Wallet browser and paste it. Now let's copy the link, hold it to copy. Now copy link, click on copy link copied. Right here on the Trust Wallet, we're going to click on this discovery to paste the link that we copied. Tap on discovery. Here we are going to paste the link over here. Paste the link here, then paste. Then you have to search for it. Can you see? Disclaimer: Trust Wallet does not own, operate, or endorse any third-party apps or websites. You use this platform at your own risk. Trust Wallet is not responsible for any loss or issues, including disputed transactions. By using Trust Wallet, you agree to our terms of service. Always verify the legitimacy of deep apps and do your own research before using them. You accept the terms and conditions. Tap there to accept. Then you click on confirm here. It's going to load for you. Just give it time to load. Yeah, app.meshchain.ai. So after loading, then we now continue. Here is now the interface of our Meshchain AI. So we are going to put in you are going to log in here with your email and your password. Once you log in, you will have the interface fully. Then you continue. So right here is now the interface of Meshchain.ai. So we are going to click over. So we are going to click over to this line at the top right. Tap on it. You are going to click over to your profile. Tap on the profile. Now here is your profile. Here is your profile. You need to make sure that you have joined them on their channels. If you have not connected your Discord, make sure you connect it. Then look at Connect Web3 Wallet. You are going to click on this Connect. Tap on Connect. You are going to choose Trust Wallet. Tap on this Trust Wallet. It's requesting as simple as Trust Wallet doesn't waste time to connect. Unlike MetaMask Wallet, you will just straight to the point. If you now click on this Connect, waiting is loading. Just give it time. You need to sign in. Click on this sign. Now put in your passcode. The wallet has been linked successful. The wallet has been linked successful. As simple as that. Yes. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.